You watch the war from behind a screen as if it could never touch you. Missiles tearing through the sky, sirens echoing in unfamiliar languages. Distance gives you a false sense of safety. You tell yourself this tragedy does not belong to you. But the wars of our era recognize no borders. In modern conflict, the target is not just land, it is your purchasing power, and that shockwave eventually reaches your wallet. Governments do not finance global conflicts solely through the taxes they collect. War funding often begins at the printing press. When geopolitical tension peaks, the money printers quietly accelerate. There is a weapon as powerful as gunpowder: newly printed money. Every new bill takes a little from the value of yours. As money expands, your share shrinks. No envelope labeled war invoice ever arrives at your door. That would make people question the system. Instead, the cost is collected quietly. This invisible deduction has a name: the war tax. It is embedded in your groceries, your rent, your daily life. Every payment includes an unseen share of war. Look at the map. Wars do not choose geography at random. They sit on top of global energy arteries and critical shipping lanes. When supply chains are choked by conflict, transportation costs surge. This is a tool used to steer the economy, and in the end, the bill is written to you at the checkout. Energy is the circulatory system of the economy. When instability erupts in oil-rich regions, the shockwave is immediate. Fuel costs do not only affect your commute, they are embedded in everything produced, harvested, and delivered. The resulting inflation becomes a direct mechanism transferring wealth to energy giants. This process reshuffles winners and losers. While workers carry the heavy burden of rising costs, watch where capital flows. Corporate wealth and the defense sector record historic profits. War accelerates large-scale wealth transfer. The crisis is public, but the profit is largely privatized. You pay the price for rising margins. Balance sheets swell while your budget tightens. Perception management covers up economic reality. Fear, nationalism, and moral outrage are broadcast to lock your attention onto the political narrative. While you debate who is right and who is wrong, the economic truth remains behind the curtain. Engineered panic makes you accept declining living standards as an unavoidable cost of crisis. Here is the darkest truth of the war economy. When treaties are signed and the conflict cools, the new level becomes the new benchmark. Emergency monetary expansion becomes permanent. The inflated price floor settles in, the system stabilizes. You do not return to where you started. It leaves you permanently poorer. The old balance never comes back. Stop looking only at the physical battlefield and focus on the financial one. The real casualty of every engineered war is fiat currency. To protect yourself from the systematic extraction, you must step outside their currency. True defense lies in holding physical, immutable value that no central bank can print or devalue. No one will secure your financial future for you.